Who here loves grapefruit? Be honest. You don't have to sugarcoat it. I did not like it growing up at all. But you know what I do love? And I've learned to love even more after I figured out what the heck it was great for. Great for is grapefruit. Grapefruit essential oil is delicious. And when you learn what you're about to learn, you're going to have a bigger appreciation for what it can do for you. Hi, I'm Vicki. You're here because I talk all things essential oils and mindset, and I married the two together. But today's conversation is all about the essential oil grapefruit, and I'm so freaking excited. Like you and I are partnering up. No, what grapefruit essential oil is good for, what essential oil smells like grapefruit, that's interesting, but hey, I get to answer that. And what to do with grapefruit essential oil. So grapefruit essential oil benefit is a big one, and I'm here to talk about it. So I'm not going to be brand specific here for a good reason, because I don't want to gatekeep all of the fun, juicy information that I otherwise would have to dull. Y'all deserve the truth. And this book, my friend, that I have in front of me is like liquid gold. So stick with me here. This video is going to be like less than 5 minutes. You can do 5 minutes. At the very end, I'm going to share my favorite way of using this, and it's kind of like a life hack. If you're a bigger woman like me, this has been very beneficial in not diving into those late night snacks. If you know, you know. So, weight loss and obesity. Yeah, let's go there. A lot of people use, did you grow up in the 80s or 90s? That grapefruit diet? Oh no. Yes, there was a lot of people that did the grapefruit diet, and a lot of people saw good results for the time that they were doing it. We don't need the grapefruit diet anymore. We've come a long way, right? So the weight loss and obesity support would be taking it internally in a veggie cap or putting it in your water. And guess what, boo? I have it in my water right now with some electrolytes as well. Food addictions and sugar cravings. Yeah. Yes, it's so beneficial for a reason. So this book is saying diffuse it, put it in the atmosphere, right? One of the fastest ways to uplift our mood is to diffuse citrus essential oils. Yes, citrus essential oils are amazing because they are high in limonene, which is a constituent that helps elevate mood. So food addiction, sugar cravings, diffuse it, take it internally, put it in your water. If you're having uterine issues, uterine issues, or you have a lack of progesterone, if you're wanting to prevent possible miscarriage, then this book is stating, taken in a veggie cap, applied diluted to the area of concern or reflex points. Now, because I'm being non-brand specific here, right? Because I'm sharing all the things. Don't put essential oils in your eyes or in your ears or up your hoo-ha. No, don't do that. No, just don't. I don't care what brand you use. Well, actually, I do. That's a lie. I do care what brand you use. And if you want to know what brand I use and trust because it's backed by research and data, then holler at your girl and I will totally tell you. But essential oils never go in your eyes or ears or hoo-ha, okay? Breast issues. This book is stating that you can apply it to the breast area or take it in a veggie cap and use it with pink pepper. Y'all, I am the co-host of the Essential Oil Scoop podcast. It is an amazing place to be. We just did an episode. Well, we did an episode and it just aired recently all about pink pepper. You can understand why grapefruit and pink pepper can go together. So tune into that episode. Detoxification, cellulite, sagging skin. Drink it in your water, take it in a veggie cap, dilute on problem areas in the bottoms of your feet. So I would never apply this topically. I would never apply grapefruit topically because I don't apply citrus oils where the sun shines. If I'm covered up, oh yeah, that's fine. That's totally fine. You can do that. Headaches, migraines, liver and blood toxicity. It's saying apply it over your liver and take internally in a veggie cap. You guys, oh my gosh. I have something going on and I forgot that I can use this to support my liver. Oh my heaven, I'm so stoked. So yes, headaches, migraines, liver, and blood toxicity. This other one's funny. I wish I knew this when I was in my early 20s, right? You're going to understand. Hangover? Anybody experience a hangover? Some people have never had a lick of alcohol in their life. Good for you. But for a lot of us that have and played with it, I wish I knew this back then. It would have helped. So take it internally, use it in a veggie cap. I would put it in my water. But again, this is not your get out of free jail card to be drinking excessively. Like, no, I unsubscribe from that. So what does essential oils smell like? What oils? Okay, dyslexic moment. What essential oil smells like? Grapefruit? Grapefruit? I don't know. If you were to mix lemon and orange essential oil together, possibly. It has its own aromatic profile. What is grapefruit essential oil good for? I've already answered that question numerous times. We're nearing the end of this video, and if you haven't hit subscribe yet, guys, hi, welcome. I would love this subscriber. I would love for you to tap that button wherever it's at. Friends, if you love this content, if you love learning about your essential oils, if you like watching me make a fool out of myself sometimes, hit subscribe. I would love it, and I appreciate your support. So, adrenal fatigue. Okay, this is where I'm coming up on one of my favorite uses because I honestly forgot that I could use grapefruit for this. So, before I say that, adrenal fatigue and nervous exhaustion. I have PMOS. So, adrenal fatigue is super real for me. Apply diluted with basil over your adrenal areas to the bottoms of feet or back of neck. Take in a veggie cap. You guys, this is amazing. Now you do you. You get to decide what brand you choose into. Again, I only use the best. So if you want to know what I use and how I use it, DM me and I will not gatekeep. I will share all the things with you. But you need to make sure that your bottle that you are using is safe for internal use, safe for topical use, and safe to be diffusing aromatically in your home. You have to do that research. But if you want to just speed up the process, just holler at your girl and I got you. Okay, now to my favorite ways of using grapefruit right now is oily skin, acne, and hair loss, specifically hair loss. I'm actually going to be doing an episode on my other YouTube channel, Understanding PMOS, all about hair loss. That's going to be airing soon because right now this girl's on a struggle bus with hair loss. So I am tapping in to my rosemary, my lavender, my grapefruit essential oils to help my body do the healing. Because these oils, they don't do the healing. They allow our bodies to do the healing. So friends, I am super excited. You get to apply this in with your shampoo. You know, I don't know what shampoo you use, but you can tell me below, have you found a really clean shampoo that encourages hair growth? Like, put it down in the comments below because I would love to learn from you. It says apply to the areas of concern and add to your shampoo. But the hair loss, guys, and then the weight loss, and then the kidney toxicity, gallbladder issues. Oh my gosh, I forgot to say that. Gallbladder, gallstone issues. It says take this and geranium together, grapefruit and geranium together. There's someone in my life that I love dearly that I get to tell right after I stop recording about this duo. Again, friends, use your oils, ask questions, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to come at you very often with videos about the essential oils. I'm going to be anchoring into the emotional components of these essential oils because there is a space for that. And I'm so happy you're here. Let me know below what essential oil you want to learn next, and I can't wait to serve you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.